So dear students, now let me solve the next questions on gradient of scalar function. Okay, so here what is the question? The question is given that f of x y z is nothing but x minus y, and gradient of f by g is given as 1 by z into I cap minus j cap minus x minus y by z square into k cap. Then g x y z is what? Okay, so we have to find out g actually mainly, and f is given, and gradient of f by g is also given. Okay, so what will be gradient f by g? Let me find out first. What will be the gradient of f by g? So you have a general formula of gradient of f by g, and that is nothing but the differentiation of ordinary differentiation. Okay, the u by v differentiation, just like that the formula will be. So it will be g square and then g into gradient of f, okay, minus f into gradient of g. Now if you modify this, you will have 1 by g into gradient of f minus, you will get f by g square into gradient of g. Okay, now what you have, the in question that they given that gradient of f by g is not, this is gradient of f by g, and this is just from the formula. Okay, but in question here gradient of f by g is given like 1 by z into I cap minus j cap, I cap minus j cap minus f by g square, here x minus y by z square, x minus y by z square instead of f by g square, and instead of gradient of g here is k cap. So if you compare this to equation 1 and 2, you can easily get the g. Okay, so let me compare it. So here gradient of f by g, it is nothing but 1 by g into gradient of f, and here you can see the given for this portion, the first term here is 1 by z I cap minus j cap, and gradient of f is I cap minus j cap. Why? Because f is x minus y. So f is given here x minus y, so you can easily write down gradient of f is just I minus j, I minus j. So this is gradient of f, that means f is x minus y, so here gradient of f will be obviously I minus j, and here instead of g here is z, so you can take g as z from the first term, g as z. Now let me check for the second term also. For second term here f by g square is x minus y by z square, and that is also very good fitted. You can see here that x minus y by z square, instead of z here is g also, so g square here is z square, so g is z. From this comparison you can also say that f is x minus y and g is equal to z, and the last term, that is gradient of g, and here is k cap, and if z is equal to g, then obviously you can tell that gradient of g is k cap. So by comparison each and every term from these two equations, you can say that g is equal to z just. Okay, you can reach this up to this conclusion that g is equal to z. So D will be the correct answer. Okay, so now let me solve the next question also. So this is the problem based on directional derivative. So f is given, here f is just z square into e to the power cos xy. Okay, so the directional derivative of f, and the point is also given at 0, pi by 2, 1, along 2i minus j plus 2k. Okay, so let me first find out gradient of f. So what is gradient of f? So to find out gradient of f, you have to find out first del f del x. So what will be del f del x? Del f del x is just z square and e to the power cos xy, and differentiation of this is nothing but e to the power cos xy, and differentiation of cos xy is minus sin xy, and differentiation of xy with respect to x is y. And similarly, if you talk about del f del y, then similar kind of differentiation will be there, z square and e to the power cos xy, and here also will be minus sin xy, but the only change will be here. So del f del y will be now x, and the last term that we need, that is del f del z. Del f del z is just 2z, differentiation of z square, and this will be remain same as constant to the power cos xy. Now if you put this point 0, pi by 2, 1, then when you put 0, then sin 0 is 0, so these two terms will vanish, So for gradient of f, you will have only one term, that is this, and if you put z is equal to 1, okay, and x is equal to 0, so you will get from here only e, and here 2, so it will be 2e. Now you need the vector along which you have to find the directional derivative, and this is the vector. So let me take this as a vector, you can take it, and that will be 2I minus 2j plus 2k. So what will be a cap? The unity vector will be this 2I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap divided by square root of 2 square, that is 4, minus 2, that will be minus j only. Okay. So it will be plus 1 plus 4, 2 square 1 square, so it will be 3, root 9, that means 3, so it will be 2I minus j plus 2k by 3. So what will be the directional derivative? So directional derivative will be gradient of f dot a cap, and gradient of f is just 2e k cap, so it will be 2e k cap dot a, so it will be 2I minus j plus 2k divided by 3. Now only k cap will multiply, other terms will vanish, so it will be just 4e by 3, so this will be the correct answer. Okay, next. So the next question, R is given and we have to find out gradient of R dot gradient of R dot R. So let me find out first gradient of R dot R. So what will be gradient of R dot R? Gradient of R dot R means just gradient of R square, and that means summation I del x R square, and that will be what? I have done this many times, so it will be summation I del x R square means 2R del R del x, and del R del x is x by R, so it will be summation I into 2R into x by R, so R will cancel out, so it will be 2 into summation Ix, and summation Ix is what? R vector, so it will be 2R vector, Okay, so now you have to find out again gradient of R dot, and instead of this we can write 2R vector. Now it will be 2 into gradient of R square. Now R dot R is R square, so now this gradient of R square again, this will be 2R, so it will be 2 into 2R vector, so that will be 4R vector, so this will be the correct answer. Okay, so next question. So this is also the similar kind of question. Okay, so here R vector is given and you have to find out gradient of mod R to the power 4, that means you can simply write it R to the power 4, so it will be also summation I and del x R to the power 4, and what you have to write now? You have to just differentiation, so del x R to the power 4 is just 4R cube into del R del x, so it will be just, and del R del x you should substitute here x by R again, so it will be now just 4R square will be outside, and within summation it will be Ix, and this Ix is again what? This Ix is again R vector, so it will be 4R square into R vector, but you can write it like this also, that R square into mod R square and into R